Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Toddlaco, an online store peddling all things baby and parenting. They specialize in educational toys like Montessori busy boards and geometric eggs, because apparently, your toddler needs a degree in geometry before they can even tie their shoes. They've also got bath toys and nail trimming sets, essentially aiming to make your life easier while your child tries to dismantle the living room. It sounds lovely on paper, but is it a legit operation or just another digital mirage? Let's dig in. The site claims to have 100,000 satisfied customers and a 4.4-star rating on Trustpilot. We did some actual detective work and found they've actually managed a 4.6-star rating with plenty of happy reviews. Customers are raving about the quality and fast delivery, which is a nice change of pace from the usual "it arrived 3 months late and broken" experience. Parents seem to genuinely love these durable, smarter toys, probably because they keep the kids quiet for more than 5 minutes. Looking at the digital paper trail, Toddlaco has been around since 2021. In internet years, 4 years of operation makes them practically ancient, especially since most scam sites vanish faster than your motivation on a Monday morning. They're also quite the social butterflies, maintaining active profiles on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. They actually engage with their audience, proving there's a real human behind the screen and not just a very busy bot. While the website is a bit shy about the founder, their Facebook page reveals they operate under Ray Nin Enterprise Proprietary Limited. Having an actual registered business name is a refreshing bit of transparency in a world of mystery vendors. Their product lineup includes those Montessori-inspired busy boards and geometric eggs designed to sharpen skills while the kids have fun. They even sell nail trimming sets to make that terrifying task of clipping baby claws slightly less like a high-stakes bomb disposal mission. So what's the final word? Toddlaco appears to be the real deal. Between the glowing reviews, the 4-year track record, and official registration, they actually check all the boxes. If you're a parent hunting for toys that won't fall apart the moment they're touched, this looks like a solid bet. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you enjoyed this look into the world of baby gear, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews that tell it like it is.